In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Binance Futures Calculator on the mobile app. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just diving into the exciting world of futures trading, understanding the calculator's functionality can really streamline your trading experience. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you have the app open, navigate to the Futures tab. This is your starting point for accessing the Binance Futures Calculator. The calculator icon is usually situated in the top right corner of the Futures screen. Go ahead and tap on that icon to launch the calculator. It's an essential tool for anyone trading futures, designed to make complex calculations much simpler with just a few taps. Inside the calculator, you'll see a few modes that you can choose from. These modes include P&L, which stands for profit and loss, target price, and liquidation price. Each of these modes serves a distinct purpose depending on what aspect of your trade you'd like to analyze more thoroughly. Let's start with the P&L mode. This is your go-to if you're interested in quickly figuring out your profits and losses without having to manually calculate them. Whether you're considering a trade or reviewing an existing one, the P&L mode will give you a real-time snapshot of potential gains or losses. Next, we have the target price mode. This is particularly useful when you are planning your trades and want to determine the ideal price point to set your targets. It helps in making informed decisions and setting effective strategies by knowing in advance what price would yield your desired profit. Finally, the liquidation price mode provides critical information about when your position might be at risk of being closed due to insufficient margin. Knowing this can be crucial for managing risk and ensuring that you keep your positions open until you decide otherwise, not the market or the system. To use any of these modes effectively, you'll need to enter some basic details such as your entry and exit prices, leverage, and position size. This information is vital for the calculator to deliver accurate and insightful results. Once you've entered all the required values, simply tap the calculate button to see the results instantly. It's a quick and easy process that ensures you have all the information you need right at your fingertips. And there you have it. With the Binance Futures Calculator on your mobile app, you can effortlessly manage your futures trades by understanding your profit margins, potential market entry and exit points, and the risks associated with liquidation, all with a few simple taps on your screen. Thank you for watching and happy trading.